Hey, good afternoon. Marantha here from Wild Earth Organics. Right now I am making a recipe that I saw online, or actually on YouTube, and this is what I'm stirring up right here is a combination of avocado, one whole chopped avocado, two hard-boiled eggs for my chickens. I have these German pickles. I usually will use a little bit of celery in here too, but I'm out right now. The last bit of the real mayonnaise before I make my own again, so that's cool. A little bit of horseradish mustard because I love. Pepper, and I use kosher sea salt. And then on the side here, I'm cooking up some right here, and I'll just eat it like this. I've got a little onion in there. Whoops, there, let me get it back. I've got a little onion in here with collards, kale, red cabbage from my greenhouse, garlic, that's the last bit of garlic from my garden. Before I'm harvesting chives right now, but there's my garlic hasn't really, it's just started, it hasn't shown itself yet. There's stinging nettles in here, ginger, and yeah, ginger that I grew. So here's how I like my garlic, slivers. I don't like it super small, and this is just about done. So I'll put that with this. And so basically it's 2 eggs, 1 avocado, and then a handful of greens from my greenhouse with the, garlic and ginger and onion in here and stinging nettles. And that'll be my first meal of the day. It's almost 1 o'clock. Perfect. I'm just getting hungry right now. And tonight, usually, I'll come back to you with another meal. I probably won't cook. I'll probably just make a berry smoothie, but this is what I'm having right now. Okay? I'll put the recipe down below. This is really super yummy, I'm pretty sure. I haven't tried it yet, but I haven't totally mixed it and added all the spices I wanted to. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. That's very good. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching, and I'll come back with the smoothie later. All right, bye.